Hello, how you doing? I haven't done a video in a while, and I do one. So as you can see, it's winter in Alaska, and so we're supposed to be getting hit with a snowstorm. So I thought I might want to document it. So it's like 11 right now. It's supposed to hit on later today. So I'll get back with you guys then. See ya. You guys can see. Actually, you probably can't see. It just started to snow. So here's the beginning of it. Come back when it gets a little more interesting. So, the power just went out. Thank God I was, charging my iPhone whenever it went out. It's at 100% right now. But it's pitch black. Oh, it's back on. Dang it. Oh well. So, this morning, we have ourselves lots of snow. It was blew up all the way up to our door. Our car's completely covered. My dad's down there, still in the driveway. Man, that's crazy. You can see like all over the doors. Earlier, and look, it's went all the way up to our door. All that snow right there. This is for you. You gotta follow me.
This is for you. I don't know why I'm doing it.
My glorious fans. This is for you. You did this to me.
Go ahead, I'm getting cold. Oh my God!
Yeah, he's just crying, gives a thumbs up, and he don't eat you. Yeah. So yeah, thumbs up, it's a sky, and a happy new year.